Welcome to Hall Foreman's land planning demonstration video. Hall Foreman is a leader in the use of computerized design tools. If you have a site and always wondered what if I changed this or that? What if we moved the road or a building or added retaining walls? What would the result be? And more importantly, how would it impact my development costs? Well, now we have the ability to quickly evaluate multiple land plan designs and understand the cost impacts to your budget and to your land value. Let's say you have some property in California on a frontage road along the 5 freeway. We need some topo. Well, we can import some topo. There's an existing road along the side of the freeway, so we'll add that. We can create a connecting road, and we can adjust it. With the click of a mouse, we can move it around to suit our needs. We can also create an adjacent pad to it of any desired size. Now let's take a look at this design in 3D. We're able to see it in 3D and rotate the design and the site in 3 dimensions. We can see the contours and how the road interacts with the pad. If you notice, in the lower right-hand corner, we have cut and fill numbers. So what are the cut and fill numbers? With the click of the mouse, you can see the cut in red and the fill in blue. Now let's say we want to make some changes to it. We can quickly adjust the boundary by clicking on the side and moving it around with our mouse. And another click of the mouse, and bam, you can see the revised design with the new contours. If you look in the lower right-hand corner, you can see updated cut and fill numbers, as well as retaining wall costs, sidewalk costs, and a total cost of the entire site to be used for comparison purposes with other land plans. Well, let's say we want to make this a parking lot. We can quickly create a parking lot and a striping plan. We can simply adjust the striping to our liking. If you want to rotate the striping, we can do that as well. And let's say we go crazy and make it a radius parking striping. Now you're going to want to put buildings on the site. So let's throw a couple of buildings on the site and see what happens. As you can see, when the buildings are placed, parking is automatically created adjacent to the building. And you notice, if we rotate the buildings, the parking and the striping is automatically adjusted. In the middle of the pad, you can see what the total parking count is. 720, 729, 731. That's the total parking count of the pad. So how will vehicles interact with this? How will they get access to the site? Can trucks and vehicles be able to negotiate this? Well, we have a way of doing that as well. Take a look. Here is a motor home and boat negotiating the intersection. And when it comes to the site, we're able to guide it through the parking lot. Now, if you notice the red triangles that indicate errors where there is a conflict with the vehicle and the parking lot improvements. This shows us where we need to adjust parking, buildings, or islands to accommodate the vehicles. Single-family home developments, not a problem. We can select your site and using your minimum lot size and setbacks, add some streets, adjust the lot layout, and optimize the lot count. We can then take this preliminary planning design and export it into AutoCAD for final engineering design. And finally, it can be exported again into a 3D SketchUp model and imported into Google Earth for 3D views of the site and the surrounding terrain. If you're excited about this and would like us to take a look at your property and answer what if, give us a call. We are Hall Foreman engineers, planners, and surveyors.